Hello guys, welcome to Silicon Degree. In the last lecture, we saw what is data science, who are the data scientists, types of data. In this video, we will walk through the entire data science process step by step from defining a problem to deploying a solution. Whether you are new to the data science or just looking forward to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix recommend the perfect show for you? How the self-driving cars navigate the roads? Well, it's all thanks to the data science. Every data science project starts with defining the problem that needs to solve. For Netflix, the problem might be how we can recommend the best shows and movies to each user. This problem is crucial because the better recommendation means the happier user and the more watch time. Once the problem is defined, the next step is to gather the data. Netflix collects a ton of data from its user, such as what shows and movie you watch, how long you watch them, your ratings and review, even the time of day you watched. Think of this step as a Netflix gathering all the pieces of puzzle. Now that the Netflix has all of this data, it needs to be cleaned. This means removing any errors, duplicacy or incomplete data. For example, if a show metadata is missing, Netflix needs to fill it in the gaps to ensure accuracy. Clean data is like a clean canvas, ready to analyze. With the clean data, the Netflix can now explore to understand the patterns and trends. They might look at what genres are the most popular, how viewing habits change over time, which shows lead to the high user engagement. This step is about getting a feeling of the data, like exploring a new city and finding interesting spots. Next, the Netflix transforms this data to prepare it for analyzing. This might be normalizing the data to ensure consistency, creating new features such that the combining genres or calculating the average watch time. Transforming data is like organizing your tools before starting a project. Now come to the exciting part, building models. Netflix uses algorithm to create recommendation models. This model predicts what shows and movies you might like based on the viewing history and the similar user preferences. It's like teaching a machine to make smart guesses about your taste. After building the models, Netflix needs to evaluate their performance. They test the model using the metrics like accuracy, how often the recommendations are correct, precision, how relevant the recommendation shows are. Evaluation is crucial to ensure the recommendations are as good as possible. Once the model is fine-tuned, the Netflix deploy it. This means they integrating the model into their system so it can make the real-time recommendations. When you logged in, the model suggests shows and movies based on your data. Deployment is like launching a new product. The work doesn't stop after deployment. Netflix continuously monitors the model to ensure its performance well and update it as needed. For instance, they might tweak the model if new viewing patterns emerge or if users' taste change over a time. And there you have it. The complete data science process explained with the Netflix example. To recap, we start by defining the problem, collecting and cleaning the data, exploring and transforming it, building and evaluating the model, deploying them, and finally monitoring and maintaining them. I hope this breakdown helps you to understand how data science works in the real world scenario. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Silicon Degree for more insightful contents. Have any questions? Drop them in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching us. Goodbye.